Welcome all students to math lesson. Today we are going to see exponential equation. Straight, let's see question number 1. They have given to us 5 over 4 power x plus 6. This is equal to 16 over 25 power x. We need to solve for x. I'm going to simplify 16 out of 25 into power form. That is 5 over 4 power x plus 6. This is equal to 16 is the same as 4 power 2 over 25 is the same as 5 power 2, but this is power x. This is the same as 5 over 4 power x plus 6. This is equal to, I'm going to put 4 over 5 in the same power of 2. That is going to be 4 over 5. This is power 2, then power x. Then I'm going to multiply the power, that is 2 multiplied by x. This is equal to 5 over 4 power x plus 6. This is equal to 4 over 5. 2 multiplied by x, we are going to get 2x. As you can see at this stage, I have 5 over 4, and here I have 4 over 5. These two, I want to make them the same base. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reciprocate 4 over 5. When I do that, the effect of it is introducing negative outside. That is 5 over 4 or x plus 6. This is equal to 5 over 4. That is, I reciprocate this, and the effect is introducing negative to the power, that is minus 2x. Since now I have the same base, if we are given a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are the same, the power are equal, so b is equal to c. For that case, I have the same base. I will equate the power. That is x plus 6. This is equal to minus 2x. I'll bring minus 2x to the left hand side. That is going to be x plus 2x. This is equal to, I'll bring 6 to the right hand side. That is going to be minus 6. X plus 2x, we have 3x is equal to minus 6. I'll divide by 3. I'll divide by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, I get 1. By 3, 1. By 3, we get minus 2. So, the value of x is equal to minus 2. Now let us solve question number 2. They have given to us 5 power 2x minus 3. This is equal to 0.04. The first thing, I'm going to change 0.04 into fraction. I'm going to have 5 power 2x minus 3. This is equal to 4 over 100. I can simplify here by 4. 1 by 4, it is 25. So 5 power 2x minus 3, this is equal to 1 over 25. I'm going to put 1 over 25 into power form. That is going to be 5 power 2x minus 3, this is equal to 25 power minus 1, but 25 is the same as 5 power 2, so I have 5 power 2x minus 3, this is equal to 5 power 2, or this one power minus 1. I'm going to multiply the power, so 5 power 2x minus 3, this is equal to 5 power minus 2. We have the same base, and we know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are the same, the power are equal. Now b is equal to c. For that case, we have the same base, so 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus 3. We have 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 3. We get 1. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. We get x is equal to 1 over 2. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my page. Till next time, bye.